Alright, here we are. We're out here where I can show you what is going on, and it's not like I'm doing nothing. I have been doing all kinds of blades, and what I've come up with is something that makes it so easy to tie these things all together. So I'm going to share that with you today. I like tying these things up because I don't know if you can see it, but I get wounded a lot. And I'm getting tired of shedding blood just to sharpen a bandsaw blade. So I'm going to show you how I put these together. Then I'm going to show you how I collapse the blades to get the big band on there, which is not an easy feat, especially with extremely sharp teeth on the blades. And they're extremely sharp. So I happen to have some 3-foot, tie straps. They're really too long. Okay. So let's see, first of all, how I get all those bands in there like that. This is one of the nicest last days in October 2022. So you're going to have to put up with some motorcycle noise. I'm going to show you how to collapse these blades to get them into that shape already. So, put the blade in there. Right, come on. And turn it in. Right. Let it come out and go there. Alright. That's number one. Number two. We're going to put a couple of old tie straps down here so this stuff can't get away. Right. Right there's the tie strap 1. Right here's the tie strap 2. Okay. I'm guessing you can see that. This is 180 off on the blades. That's all it is. Now, I'm going to show you how I collapse these things. This is so slick I thought I needed to share it. Okay. Right. Let me see if you're in focus, because this is going to be quick. Alright. Got that right here. Yep. Do we have you in view? We do. I'm going to turn it over a little bit. Put this 24 in there. Or excuse me, 36. Yep. We're going to cinch it down. Right there it is. Now there they are. Safe for transport and unbundling. Talk to you later. Just a little update. Bye.